nakikita ko na yung lumpia doon, parang sarap-sarap. I am a classic example of somebody who was in the era of nag-uumpisa pa lang yung women's movement. At that time, it was called feminism in the 60s. People were very shocked. But the first time I heard about the concept of feminism, ay nako, gusto ko kagad. Kasi ako yung unang-unang lumabas sa restaurant na kumain mag-isa. Dala ko lang po ay libro. Ang daming tumitingin. Tapos ako yung nanonood ng sine ng mag-isa. Kasi sabi ko, kung iintayin ko may mag-imbita sa akin lalaki manood ng sine, baka wala akong sine mapanood. O kung may magyaya sa akin sa restaurant, baka wala naman ako mapuntahan habang hinihintay ko yung tawag. So, ginawa ko yun. It was very scary. But you have to start somewhere and you have to stand by it. Now, I see everywhere I go, in the malls, in the restaurant, in the movie houses, hundreds and hundreds of women doing that already also. Watching movies alone, with a bag of popcorn, eating alone in the best restaurants. And so I'm very, very happy. Pero sabi nga ni Jelly, there are still a lot of our Filipino women na nakasakal pa rin sa kultura ng the male figure in the family, which is good because that's why you got married. There is a male figure, there is a female figure. But maybe it's best if you earn your own money. Yun lang ang gusto ko sabihin. Kasi if you have your own money, pag binalibag ka sa pader, layasan mo, may pera ka.
Rich.